Hello everybody, it's January the 25th, 2026. We received 2.5 to 3 inches of solid sleet starting yesterday evening, and it lightning and thundered and sleeted like a hootathunket several times late last night and early this morning. So I'm not untracking any tractors today, but my son-in-law and I are in the side-by-side. We're going to go over here and check out the lease. Decided I'll take y'all with me. So it's 26 degrees out here right now. That's about the high for the day. It's supposed to be 7 degrees tonight. I'm about half sick. I think I got a sinus infection. Of course, everything is closed, but I'm going to survive. I'm not complaining. Just feel a little stuffy. Nose won't quit running. Anyway, I guess I shouldn't be out here in this freezing cold weather either. Sometimes I'm just run out of smarts. Whatever. I'm going to spin the camera around here and show you why I stopped, because I really don't feel safe traveling any further in front of me. You probably can't see this incline in front of me, but it drops down about 5 feet into what we call the swamp. And this swamp road takes you out to a gigantic power line. It's where we do a lot of deer hunting and have a couple of stands, a bunch of deer feeders. We do a lot of videos out on that power line, and this is one of the roads to it. We have several. This is the main one, but it gets pretty deep out there, and we're about a half a mile from the house, and I really don't feel like walking back to the house in the conditions that we are in to go get another side-by-side to pull this one out, if need be. So anyway, I'm going to take you down one more trail, and we're going to haul it back to the house and get warm. I'm gonna do one more spin around, then we go into the house.